Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious, flaky biscuits. First, ensure your ingredients are cold. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, have 1/2 cup of very cold unsalted butter, cut into small cubes, and 3/4 cup of cold buttermilk ready. Don't forget a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar for perfect flavor. Next, whisk together your dry ingredients in a large bowl. Add the cold butter and cut it in using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually pour in the cold buttermilk, mixing just until the dough comes together. Avoid overmixing to keep them tender. Gently fold the dough a few times to create those wonderful layers, then pat it to about 1 inch thick. Now, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your cut biscuits onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring they are close but not touching. This helps them rise evenly. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the tops are beautifully golden brown and the sides are puffed. For an extra touch, brush them with melted butter right after they come out of the oven. For the flakiest biscuits, remember to keep your butter and buttermilk as cold as possible. This creates steam pockets during baking, leading to those desirable layers. Also, handle the dough as little as you can. Overworking it develops gluten, making biscuits tough. When cutting, press straight down without twisting the cutter. This seals the edges, allowing for a better rise. Enjoy your warm, fluffy biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.